Hello, beautiful people. It is very, very important that I make this video today because of the growing cause and concerns of my supporters. You all know that I don't boast of fans. I don't have fans. I don't have fans, but I have real supporters, staunch supporters. And over the time, I have received calls, messages, email, urging me, small me to run for a political office. No specified political office, but I have been asked by many people to run for a political office. I've never thought about politics before. I've never thought about being a politician. I've always considered myself as a revolutionary, especially a cultural revolutionary, and I have maintained that. I've maintained that stand over the years, ever since I began the movement to unify Igbo and also the movement for Anomachowanem International Unification Project. But this cause has been increasing over time, and I want to bring it here. Should I or should I not? What is your thoughts? Do you think that young people like me, young people like you out there watching this video, can contribute immensely in today's political landscape of Nigeria, in reshaping the future? Because anybody who is out there who understands the political permutation of Nigeria knows that Igbo has lost its relevance in Nigerian politics. Can we remain that way? Can we keep pursuing about the agitation for a separate sovereign nation, or should we now call ourselves in order and begin a political movement where every Igbo voice will be heard, and let's begin to change the narrative? Well, this is my own little contribution. Drop on the comment section if you are in support. Thank you and God bless.